Let's unpack this comment we got on YouTube because honestly, it's worth a discussion. It says he's literally guilty, so not great. Psycho. Now, the commenter did not include any psychiatric credentials, so I'm going to assume this is an insult and not a diagnosis. But let's focus on the rest of the comment because I want to talk about what I am advocating for and what I am not. Now, this comment was on the video that I posted yesterday, expressing my relief that the state of Texas has granted a stay of execution for Robert Roberson. Now, Robert Roberson was convicted in Texas for the death of his daughter, and scientific evidence presented at court claimed that she had died of something called shaken baby syndrome. And shaken baby syndrome has been largely discredited by modern science. In addition, it was recently uncovered that there may have been a conflict of interest related to the judge in the case, as well as some records that may have been withheld from the defense. That's a serious problem because that means Robert Roberson did not get a fair trial, and the state of Texas was set to execute him on October 16, 2025, until yesterday when they granted a stay. Now, I've read the allegations, and I know that Robert Roberson was no saint, but that's not the point. Every American under the Constitution, saint or sinner, deserves to be treated fairly by the justice system. And I personally am not calling for an acquittal. I am calling for a new trial because everyone deserves fairness under the justice system. I believe he should get a new trial where the jury's not tainted by now discredited science. And I'm not even weighing in on the validity of the death penalty itself. But I am saying it's unethical to put someone to death when they didn't even receive a fair trial. Due process is the constitutional right of every American. As for my own mental health diagnosis, it's completely irrelevant because I am not on trial. If you want to hear more about Texas's history with junk science, you can check out the series Texas Justice right now on Crime to Burn, and I hope you'll consider checking it out.